Hello and welcome to MG Tracy here in London. Well, today we're looking at a couple of potential gifts for the coffee lovers in your house. Thank you very much for Temu for sending me a couple of samples of these to show you what they're about. So if you don't have a coffee machine or they're not for you, then this is the ideal solution for you. So today we're looking at two things from Temu. Links and discount codes are in my description below. The first one is a reusable coffee filter. It folds away for travel. You just pull those arms up, that one goes in your cup. That's how we're going to make our drip through filter coffee. How we're going to make a nice frothy coffee? Well, we're going to use this little whisk. So I'll show you how we do that and how we can make some nice frothy coffee just with that. So to get the best from your filter coffee, you need to make sure you've got fresh coffee. So you can either buy your coffee that's been ground like this one, or actually I've got some new Christmas blend here. And as you can see, that one is beans. When you're not using these, squeeze the air out, keep them in the fridge. So we're going to grind that up first, using this little coffee grinder. So it's a glorious smell already. Here we go then, so we're just going to grind those up. Right, that should do us. Let's have a look in there now. There you go. There's our freshly ground coffee that we're going to put in the filter. So 2 heaped teaspoons should be fine here. You can adjust this depending on how strong you want your coffee. Let's give this a little tap now. Right, now we're just going to add our boiling water. How much water you put in depends on, again, how strong you want your coffee. I'm going to add just a little bit more in there. So if like me you like a latte or cappuccino, we need to froth up the milk a bit. So we're going to put some milk in here and use our whisk. If you want this milk hot, then put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Try and get plenty of air into this. You can see it's frothing up nicely there. Nice cream. Okay, good, that's finished. Lovely. So that can now be emptied into your food waste, quick rinse or run through the dishwasher, and you're ready to go again with your reusable filter. Right, let's put this on the top. You should have a nice consistency here. Almost ice creamy look. Now you can use whatever milk you like. We're using almost fat-free milk, but the higher fat content you have your milk, the better you'll find this turns out here. I'm just going to pour the rest of that in there. It goes through to the bottom. How glorious is that, look. I bet your mouth is watering. Right, now just finish this off. A little bit of chocolate powder on the top there. And as it's Christmas, we've got a little mini cracker there. So there you are. There's a perfect coffee without a coffee machine for your guests. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful Christmas. And it's a big coffee cheers from me, Paul, here in London. That is glorious.